Ready for the world. The new Mercedes S-Class, the absolute pinnacle of automotive excellence.
An invisible shield. Electrocoating protects your Mercedes from rust for decades to come.
The foundation. This floor pan is engineered for maximum rigidity and a whisper-quiet ride.
Forget traditional bolts. Laser welding ensures seamless joints that are stronger than the metal itself. Every frame takes a deep dive. This chemical bath ensures the surface is surgically clean. Now, the electric charge provides the first anti-corrosion layer. Watertight and airtight. Robots apply acoustic sealant to keep the cabin dead silent. Lightweight aluminum doors are hung with millimeter precision. Feel the solid thud of quality.
The big moment. The body and drivetrain are married in a perfectly synchronized dance.
The roof is bonded with aerospace-grade structural adhesive for ultimate safety and sleekness. Look at that precision. Perfect fit.
Intelligence activated. The MBUX system is the AI brain that learns your every habit.
The nervous system. Miles of fiber optic cables connecting the world's most advanced car sensors. Hand-finished performance. The heart of the beast is assembled with absolute mechanical mastery. This is the Mercedes S-Class engine, assembled with precision. Seamless power delivery. The 9G-tronic transmission meets the engine in a perfect union.
Time for color. Multiple layers of pigment create that deep, signature S-Class luster. The diamond finish. This clear coat is scratch-resistant and gives it that mirror-like shine.
Floating on air. These intelligent dampers adjust 1,000 times per second for comfort. Lifeblood. Every vital fluid is measured to the drop for peak operational efficiency.
Ignition. For the first time, this masterpiece breathes life. Hear that precision?
Surviving the storm. We blast it with hurricane-force water to ensure it's bone dry inside.
Human touch. Our experts inspect every millimeter. If it's not perfect, it's not an S-Class.
Ready for the world. The new Mercedes S-Class, the absolute pinnacle of automotive excellence.